Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 1850 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you got a bad dashboard and we need to replace it. Pretty easy, this is how you do it. You want to go ahead and remove these Torx 25 screws. Okay, now we can pull the dashboard away from the machine. Okay, now what we need to do is just unplug all the connectors. There's communications cable. And then the little ribbon cable for your triggers. Just like that. So your new dashboard does come with a key switch, but not the emergency stop. So we have to remove the emergency stop from the old dashboard. Just unplug it. Unscrew the nut. Pull that off and set it to the side. Okay, so take your new dashboard and reinsert the emergency stop. So now on the back of the emergency stop, there's a notch that has to line up. Just like that. Now take your nut. And screw the emergency stop back down on the new dashboard. And now we can plug the emergency stop back into the dashboard and reconnect all the wires. Last but not least, all we have to do is reattach it to the machine. Take your Torx screws, get them started, and tighten them back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.